Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, Azure CLI, and a resource group in your desired region. Next, prepare your app artifact, code, package, JSON or Docker file, and any build scripts so deployment is repeatable. Then run as login and verify your subscription. Once done, create the resource group and an app service plan with as group create and as app service plan create. Choose pricing tier and OS. This gets you into the deployment-ready state immediately. Now deploy the app and wire configuration. Use as web app create to provision the web app with the plan and runtime, or point it to a container image. After deployment, configure app settings and connection strings for secrets and environment-specific values. These override code values. Set up scaling, manual instance count, or auto-scale rules based on CPU or requests. Finally, implement deployment pipeline, zip deploy for quick push, or configure GitHub Actions, /Azure DevOps for continuous delivery and repeatable builds. Finish by validating end-to-end behavior. Open the site, inspect log stream and application insights for errors, and run portal diagnostics. Make sure HTTPS is enabled, then add your custom domain and bind a TLS certificate so traffic is secure. Once done, test forms, API calls, and background jobs. If something fails, first check deployment and application logs, then recycle the app or scale out to mitigate load. If persistent, redeploy a known good build. That usually isolates configuration versus code issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.